welcome to Wapakoneta, Ohio. If you guys remember, about a month ago, I delivered out here. So to set you up with a backstory here, or just to let you know what's going on. Obviously, we delivered our steel bars up in Michigan, and last night, right after I got done talking to you guys, I got a call from my cassette guy saying, "Hey, where are you right now?" I was like, "Well, I'm sitting in Indiana, making a delivery in Warren, Michigan tomorrow." He's like, "I have a cassette roll that's returning back to Knoxville from Wapakoneta." I was like, "Okay." Told me how much it was gonna pay. I was like, "I like that rate." It was an hour, 2.5 hour drive out of Michigan to get to here. But I was like, okay, yeah, I can definitely do that. And then he also has a reload for tomorrow out of Knoxville, so another cassette roll. It's going to go down to Concord, North Carolina, which is just north of Charlotte. So that's what we're doing. We're going to come on over here and pick up a return cassette, which I don't do too many of these because normally they ship them LTL, I think via Old Dominion. But for whatever reason, this one's not going that way. And so here I am. I just happen to still be in the neighborhood, sort of, to be able to load it up. So we'll pick this one up, take it down to Knoxville, deliver in the morning, and reload there, and hopefully deliver same day. Tomorrow will be Thursday, so yeah, hopefully deliver same day, be able to find myself something else to do, and have a good weekend load. I really don't want to go back to the house because I am planning on going to the Big American Truck Show over in Louisville, Kentucky. Probably be there from Friday to Saturday. I don't think I'm staying for all 3 days, but I'll most likely be there. Most likely bringing the truck, because why not? You can't go there without bringing your truck. So that's kind of my plan. I'll give you guys more updates on as I learn them. But yeah, like I said, I'll most likely be there Friday and Saturday. So if you're going to be around, maybe we'll bump into each other. We can say hi. So that's it. Let's pull in here, get our cassette roll, and I'll talk to you guys here a little bit later. Alright, real quick. There it is. It's done. Just one ugly cassette roll with a crate up there. Gonna be the usual. They say it's 12.5. When they're dirty like this, I get an extra 1,000 pounds. Plus, this is a longer one. So, we're probably looking at 13.5, maybe 14. But nothing out of the ordinary. So, anyways, let's get back to Knoxville. going on. So obviously we got our new cassette roll, taking it over to Concord, North Carolina, drop it off. GPS says I'm going to be there at 1:09. I will venture to guess about 1:15. Realistically, we got just under 3 hours to go. We're going to drop it off, and then we have our next load booked it about a half hour ago. It's a transformer and some parts. We're going to pick that up in, I can't remember, somewhere in South Carolina. So it's about 120-mile deadhead, unfortunately. And we pick it up tomorrow morning at 8 in the morning. But that's going to go over to Birmingham, Alabama. So it's a really good paying short run, so I definitely don't mind it, even with the big of a deadhead, but that's okay because we got till tomorrow. So we'll get there at 8 o'clock, run that to Birmingham, and then I am going to make the call, because I was informed when I was unloading, switching out these cassette rolls, that they were going to have another one for Monday. And so I talked to the guy that I usually book through. Now, I don't know if I've ever said this. All these loads I do with the cassette rolls, I do still book them through a broker. And I do that because I trust this broker. I know he's not undercutting me. I know how much they pay him. And it's fine. It's a cut. You know, these people that I'm running for, they've been dealing with this broker for years. And I'm not going to come in and try to throw him out. So I'm going to keep him as an asset. He helps me, I help him. That's the way it is. Not all brokers are evil. So again, I know how much they pay. I know how much they pay them on this load, and I'm okay with it. So anyways, they told me that they had this going on, and so I sent a text to that guy that I work with. And I was like, hey, they told me that they got this going on Monday. Let me know the details once you get them. And sure enough, he told me it's one cassette roll. Picking up from there, it's going up to some place. It's in Michigan, but it's just on the other side of the state line from Ohio. It's just north of Toledo. And my phone mount is falling off. It's not the greatest time for this right now. All hell is broken loose. Alright. That. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna book that officially. So I got a bit of a deadhead to leave from Birmingham to get back up to Knoxville. It's about a 4-hour drive, but it is what it is. That's okay because I'm getting paid pretty well on this transformer run. So hey, that at least puts me home for the weekend. So anyways, just wanted to throw you the update on that. I need to figure out what just happened here in this truck. Without crashing and killing a family of 5, because that wouldn't be a good thing to do. But anyways, I will talk to you guys probably at the end of the night tonight. Alright, good afternoon. We are done. We're in Blacksburg, South Carolina. Parked at the Loves over here. I'm in the bobtail parking spot, so works out pretty good. We're gonna stay here for tonight. We're about an hour away from where we need to go tomorrow. It's basically Greensboro, just outside of there to pick up our transformer. So our delivery obviously went fine. No issues there. So I'm just gonna hang out here. It is warm out here. It's like 60. Or no, like 75 degrees out. It's warm. So I'll sleep good tonight though, that's for sure. But weather's supposed to be somewhat nice tomorrow as well. And hopefully the delivery, the transformer, will be nice and easy. It's gonna be heavy. It's like 21,000 pounds. So should be a good fun trip. So anyways, truck is filthy. I also realized I've lost another hubcap thing. You guys remember I had to replace the one on the other side. Well, now I gotta get that one. But truck's filthy. I'll get it washed this weekend once I'm at home. It's supposed to be dry for a couple days after that, so that'll be my plan. But anyways, I'm gonna end this here, get some food, get this video up, relax for the rest of the night. So I'll talk to you later.